Welcome. In this quick tutorial, you'll learn how to insert the new built-in checkboxes in Excel 365 in just a few seconds. No developer tab required. Let's jump in. First, select the cell, or range of cells, where you want your checkboxes to appear. Next, navigate to the Insert tab in the top ribbon. In the Cell Controls group, simply click on Checkbox. And that's it. Excel instantly inserts clean, modern checkboxes right into your selected cells. The best part about this new feature is that these checkboxes are cell content, not floating graphics. When you check a box, the cell value turns to true. When you uncheck it, it turns to false. This makes them incredibly easy to use in formulas, conditional formatting, or status tracking. To copy the checkbox to other cells, simply use the fill handle in the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down. If you want to remove a checkbox, select the cell and hit the delete key on your keyboard, just like clearing regular text or numbers. That's how easy it is to use checkboxes in the modern version of Excel 365. If you found this quick update helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more up-to-date Microsoft Office tips.
If you found this tutorial helpful, reward us with a like. Is this your first time on our YouTube channel? We would be more than grateful to welcome you to our community, so hit the subscribe button to enjoy more of our videos and learn how to master Word. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.